Hello, my name is Mukhlisa and I'm conducting a language class. To be specific, it is writing class. And so I'm here to introduce you my lesson plan. Okay, let's start with the level of my students. It is pre-intermediate. Their amount is from 8 to 10. Their age is 20 plus. And the grammar topic is transition words. The content topic is practice and motivation. So, objectives. Mine is pretty simple. It is by the end of the lesson, students will be able to use transition words correctly in their pieces of writing. Time is 55 minutes, and materials are board, marker, pens or pencils, paper, pieces of paper, and worksheets. Procedure. In order to introduce to my students topic of the lesson, I will spread them worksheets. They are given 5 minutes. Everyone works individually. Interaction pattern is teacher versus student and students to teacher. Okay, so on this worksheet, there is a text which you can see on your screen. Please pause it to read it. So they need to read it, analyze it, and guess what is today's topic, what is new for them. So they say their suggestions, I will say yes or no, and then I show them a text, which you can see on your screen, which contains the same transition words. It is the same text, but transition words are in bold, and I will explain them. So I will ask them, what do you think, why do we need them, when do we use them, what does they mean? So it is just the whole process takes 5 minutes. Then I move to explanation part. It is for 15 minutes. I explain them, why do we need them, when do we use them, what is it, and I will introduce them transition words divided into categories, and I will give them some of them. Okay, it takes 15 minutes, and I will use the same text model as an example. Okay, so third part, activity 1. I will give them worksheets. Again, they are working in pairs. Time is from 5 to 7 minutes. There is instruction which tells there are given 6 sentences and box that contains transition words. In brackets, at the end of each sentence, there is a number which tells the amount of transition words that can be used, from 1 to 3. So they need to put in the correct places the correct transition words. It's in pairs. They do pair checking, and then at the end I will announce the correct answers. So next task, next activity is I will divide them into 2 groups, into groups of 4 or 5. So first group gets topic of motivation, second group of practice. They should create small story depending on their experience, and this task is for 15 minutes. They should create a story, maximum 150 words maximum. They should use transition words, and they should divide it into paragraphs and mix these paragraphs. So they could give to another group, and they should put the paragraphs into correct order depending on the usage of transition words. And then they gave it to the groups that created, so they check it. Okay, and the last activity is storytelling. Students I give them pieces of paper, and they use their pens or pencils. So they should create some kind of story on the topic of motivation. So they write here something, small sentence using transition words, and they write the transition words that they used on the top. So another students could see what words have been used already, so they cannot repeat it. They write again, they fold, and they write the words that they used, and they give it to another student. And this continues till the last student, and at the end we open and read it. So the aim is to remember as much as transition words as you can. Yes, this is freer practice activity, and during the last 5 minutes I give some homework to write a small, let's say, essay using transition words about practice, how practice have helped them during their life. This is the end.